can see here that my ticket is in US dollars, because in Cambodia they use two currencies. Their currency is the Cambodian one and US dollars, because people don't trust the government, and they quite often use dollars instead of the like Cambodian TIR. I don't remember the name of this currency, and $1 equals 4,000 of this Cambodian money. And yeah, they usually use Cambodian money for exchanging, like for small things like candies, like bread and so on, but for big things like cars and so on, they usually use dollars, only dollars. Imagine how hard it is to completely restore these buildings, because most of them are ruined because of its age and so on, and it's unimaginable how hard it is to just restore the buildings, put the stone to an appropriate place. For example, if there is a fallen roof, you need to restore this roof, you need to find all appropriate stones. Oh, it's really a lot of work, really. Millions and millions of dollars for sure.